370 इतिहास बन चुकी है, वो कभी लौट कर नहीं आने सकती, हम आने भी।
On 6th of September, the Bharatiya Janata Party unveiled its manifesto for the Jammu and Kashmir Assembly polls. Here's taking a look at the key highlights. End of terrorism. The BJP aims to completely eradicate terrorism in the region. A white paper will be issued to hold those accountable who are responsible for the rise of terrorism in Jammu and Kashmir. End of Article 370. Union Home Minister Amit Shah firmly mentioned that Article 370, which gave special status to J&K, will never be restored.
मैं आज आप सभी पत्रकार भाइयों के माध्यम से पूरे देश को स्पष्ट कर देना चाहता हूं, धारा 370 इतिहास बन चुकी है, वो कभी लौट कर नहीं आने सकती, हम आने भी।
Ma Samman Yojana. The oldest woman in every family will receive a sum of 18,000 rupees per year under this scheme.
हम मां सम्मान योजना के तहत सबसे वरिष्ठ माता को, घर में एक वरिष्ठ महिला को, बहन को प्रतिवर्ष 18,000 रुपये की सहायता उनके जीवन यापन के लिए देंगे।
Ujjwala Scheme. 2 free LPG cylinders will be provided every year for families.
उज्ज्वला के सारे लाभार्थियों को 2 LPG सिलेंडर हम मुफ्त देंगे।
Pragati Shiksha Yojana. College students will get 3,000 rupees annually for travel expenses. Tablets, laptops for students. Students in remote areas will receive electronic devices to support their education. Increased pension. Elderly, widows and the disabled will see their pensions rise from 1,000 to 3,000 rupees, as promised by the BJP in the manifesto. Special Economic Zone in Jammu. A special economic zone for IT will be set up in Jammu city. Amusement Park in Srinagar. Plans to develop an amusement park in Srinagar for recreation and tourism. Modern tourist destinations. Gulmarg and Pahalgam will be developed as modern tourist hubs. Tavi Riverfront development. Jammu's Tavi Riverfront will be developed like Ahmedabad's Sabarmati Riverfront. Dal Lake tourism. Water sports and tourism will be promoted around Dal Lake. Land and utility issues. Solutions for small traders and MSMEs will be provided to address land, utility and lease deed concerns. Free electricity. Free electricity will be provided under the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Access to drinking water. Drinking water will be ensured for all households under the Har Ghar Nal Se Jal scheme. Electricity for farmers. Electricity tariffs for agricultural purposes will be reduced by up to 50%. Ayushman Bharat Sehat scheme expansion. Coverage under this healthcare scheme will be increased by 2 lakh rupees. More medical seats. 1,000 new medical seats will be added to government colleges. Increased PM Kisan payout. Farmers will receive 10,000 rupees per year under the PM Kisan Samman Nidhi Yojana. New rural roads. 10,000 kilometers of new rural roads will be built to improve connectivity. Kashmiri Pandit rehabilitation. Kashmiri Pandits will be rehabilitated under the Tika Lal Taplu Vistapit Samaj Punarvas Yojana. Support for refugees. Assistance for refugees from Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir and neglected groups like the Valmiki and Gorkha communities will be provided. And lastly, illegal settlements. BJP plans to remove illegal Rohingya and Bangladeshi settlements in the region. Stay with Business Standard for more updates on the J&K elections.